Lesson 1-8, Concept 5, Scale Drawings and Models. Scale drawings and models are a fairly common proportion problem. They are solved similar to any other proportion. You just need to make sure that you're keeping your units lined up, and then you're just going to solve for your variable. All right, here's a sample question. A blueprint of a house is 20 inches wide, and it says the scale is 1 inch equals 1.75 feet. How wide will the house be? All right, so the first thing to look at is what units do I have? Well, I've got 1 inches here, the 20 inches wide. I've got 1 inch here, and then I've got 1 feet. So I know that my missing value is going to be the number of feet. All right, that's how wide the house is going to be. So when I set up my proportion, if my missing value is feet, I'm going to want to make sure that that ends up being on the top of one of my ratios, so that it's easy to solve. Okay, so if I have feet here, I'm going to need to have feet over here across from it. Oops, 1.75 feet, and then below the 1.75 is going to be the 1 inch. And this is feet, and this is feet. And then the part of my other ratio, or the last part of my proportion, is going to be 20 inches. All right, so now I can cross multiply, or because I have the variable up here, I can simply multiply by 20 inches and multiply by 20 inches, and you can see that those values are cross-canceled, and these values are not the same, but the units are the same. So I will actually be canceling the inches, which is good because I want my ending value to end up in feet. And so now I just have a 20 times 1.75 feet, or it should be 35, I believe. 20 times 1.75 equals 35. All right, so 35 feet equals X. Good luck.